Hello, today we will be solving IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics 2021 question paper. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for daily updates. Question number 16. Read the question first. We have been given a random sample from uniform theta minus 5, theta plus 5, and we have been given the range of theta. T is maximum of xi's and U is minimum of xi's. Then we have to see which of the following statements is true. So let's look at the MLE of theta first. We need the information that x belongs to uniform distribution. We have t and u. Let's consider the likelihood function. We see the range of theta will be from xn minus 5 to x1 plus 5, right? And let's look at the second statement. Since MLE of theta exists, MLE of theta is any number between xn minus 5 to x1 plus 5. Due to invariance property, the MLE of 1 upon theta will exist. So, statement 2 is incorrect. Also, since we have already shown that theta has a certain range which has incorporated xn and x1, so mu plus 8 cannot be the MLE of theta. Now, talking about the first statement, t plus u upon 2 is actually an MLE of theta, but the problem is MLE is not unique. Here, the MLE of theta is any value between the given range, but it's not unique. So, the right answer is 2 upon t plus u due to the invariance property of MLE. Let's see question number 17. We have been given a problem of testing of hypothesis where the sample of size 1 is taken. Okay, so the likelihood function will be same as the PDF. We have been given f0x and f1x. We have to find the probability of type 2 error of the most powerful test of size alpha equals to 0.1. We have to find type 2 error, which is beta, the consumer's risk, which is 1 minus power. Now here, first we need to find the critical region where H0 is rejected. Using NP lemma, we will find the most powerful region. So we have the most powerful region as 2 minus 2x greater than equal to 1.8. Now we have to find type 2 error, which is probability of accepting H0 given H1 is true. I recommend finding beta using power of the function. Why? Because when we are calculating the critical region, we already have used an integration. This integration is same as integration used in finding power, except for the fact that there we are using H0 and in power we are using H1. So we already have probability x less than equal to 0.1 given H1 is true. So power of the test is equal to 0.19, hence type 2 error is 0.81.